How to fix the finals error code TFLA0002. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix the finals TFLA0002 error code. First things first, in order to fix the finals error code TFLA0002, you want to start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. You want to check your internet connection. If your network connection is bad, you can try to switch to a wired connection if possible and avoid bandwidth heavy activities while gaming. You want to update the game and system software. Keep both the finals game and your gaming platform software up to date. Developers often release patches and updates to address known issues, including error codes like TFLA0002. You can also restart your device. Power down your gaming console or PC, wait for a few minutes, then power it back up. This can clear or help clear temporary glitches that might be causing the TFLA0002 error. You can also verify game files. If you are playing the finals on PC, use Steam's built-in tools to verify the integrity of the finals game's files. Corrupted or missing files could be the culprit behind the error. To do so, open Steam, go to your library and right-click on the finals. Select Properties from the drop-down menu. In the Properties window, navigate to the Installed Files tab. Click on the option labeled Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will then initiate the verification process, which may take a few minutes. You can also update your driver. Ensure that your device's drivers, especially graphic card drivers, are up to date, because outdated drivers can cause compatibility issues leading to errors like TFLA0002. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.